Do you know that all the things you've heard about the Igbo word Ekwensu is not actually true? Hello, welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where we teach you Igbo language and culture. What if I told you that one of the most feared names in Igbo culture was never meant to be feared at all? And that is the word Ekwensu. Ekwensu is not the devil. It is the misunderstood Igbo deity. For generations, Ekwensu has been labeled the devil in Igbo land. But this is a story written by colonial hands, not one rooted in Igbo truth. In Igbo cosmology, or in ancient Igbo cosmology, Ekwensu was not the embodiment of evil. He was the god of war, negotiation, and strategy. Ekwensu is a deity called upon for bravery, conflict resolution, and tactical thinking. Hence, Ekwensu is a warrior and merchant, and not Lucifer or Satan, as the colonial masters had made us to believe. This is how it all began. When the missionary arrived Nigeria, particularly in Igbo land, they looked for a native name to replace Satan in the Bible. They saw Ekwensu linked to war and trickery and made a grave error. They called him the devil. This colonial mistranslation changed the truth, turning a once respected spiritual force into a symbol of fear and rejection. Erroneously, today, scholars and many Igbo indigenes, including cultural custodians and Igbo youth, are reclaiming that truth. Ekwensu is being understood again, not as devil, but as complex, strategic, and deeply rooted in Igbo identity. Ekwensu was not a devil. He's not a devil. He has never been a devil. Or rather, he has never been the devil. So it is important you understand this fact today and know the real truth. Like this video, share it, subscribe, and let's keep on unveiling the untold stories of African spirituality, especially the Igbos. God bless you. Bye.